Module 5. Movement and Music Broadens Learning. The intricate ballet of the mind and body presents a harmonious interplay that is fundamental to our understanding of holistic health. At the crossroads of this dynamic synergy lies the profound impact of movement and music on learning and cognitive development. This chapter delves into the essence of these relationships, exploring how they foster a rich environment for brain health and overall well-being. Imagine the human brain as a complex orchestra, with various sections contributing to the overall performance. Movement, in this metaphor, acts as the conductor, ensuring that different parts of the brain are engaged and synchronized. Engaging in physical activities such as throwing, catching, and kicking, which are examples of manipulative skills, stimulates neural pathways that are essential for fine motor skills development and cognitive processes. These physical experiences are not standalone events, but are deeply influenced by a plethora of factors. Nutrition, physical exercise, mental stimulation, and emotional well-being all play pivotal roles in maintaining brain health. A balanced diet fuels the brain with essential nutrients, while physical exercise increases blood flow, enhancing oxygen and glucose delivery to the brain. The environment we inhabit also exerts significant influence. Consider the spaces where children play and learn. These should be safe, stimulating, and offer a blend of structure and freedom. Social interactions within these environments further shape cognitive development. For instance, playing games like Duck Duck Goose may seem like pure fun, but they lack constant movement, leading to missed opportunities for continuous physical engagement. Physical factors such as genetics and health conditions can set the parameters within which an individual operates. Yet, it is the nurturing of the environment that often determines the extent to which potential is realized. Windows of opportunity in the development of skills are periods when it's easier to develop certain abilities, although with effort and support, these skills can be learned later in life as well. Incorporating music into this mix adds another layer of complexity and benefit. Music can influence physical fitness by setting a rhythm to move to, encouraging coordination and emotional expression. Moreover, it can enhance learning outcomes by improving memory, attention, and even mathematical abilities. The integration of physical activity and music into the learning environment is not merely an addition to the curriculum, but a powerful tool to enrich education. For young children, this integration can manifest in various ways. It may involve talking about experiences, depicting them through movement, and then discussing the movement. This process engages children in making connections between their cognitive, affective, and physical domains, thus contributing to language development. As educators and caregivers, the challenge lies in creating learning scenarios that capitalize on the natural propensities for movement and music. This means setting aside time for physical education, incorporating rhythmic activities into lessons, and creating opportunities for children to express their learning through movement. The relationship between the mind and body is not linear but cyclical. Each influences and is influenced by the other. Physical fitness not only impacts academic achievement, but also the very structure and function of the brain. Music plays a dual role, supporting both physical and cognitive development. Through an understanding of these connections, we can create a more dynamic, engaging, and effective learning environment for children, one where they can thrive in all aspects of their development. Students, by reflecting on this chapter, should now appreciate the profound connections between the mind and body, the factors influencing brain health, and the interplay between environmental, social, and physical factors on cognitive development. More importantly, the role of physical fitness and music in learning outcomes should now be evident, providing a foundation for a more integrated and holistic approach to education. Assessment, evaluation, and engagement. In the early stages of childhood development, assessment is more than a mere tool. It's an art form that, when applied with a nurturing touch, reveals the unique developmental nuances of each young learner. It paints a picture of progress that encompasses far more than academic achievement. It captures the rich tapestry of a child's cognitive, social, emotional, and physical development. Through the lens of assessment, we see a classroom where learning is vibrant and dynamic. Educators like Ms. McGuire, who understand the profound impact of kinesthetic activities on cognitive development, integrate physical activity into their daily curriculum. This approach, backed by research, suggests that such engagement is not a diversion, but a foundational element that supports children's readiness for more structured academic challenges, like state achievement tests. Ethical conduct forms the bedrock of the assessment process. It's about respecting the dignity and privacy of each child, understanding that every data point is a fragment of their personal narrative. When Ms. Quinlan takes her monthly measures of height, she's engaging in a practice that respects each child's growth as a confidential and personal journey, representing a respectful summation of developmental progress over time. Music and physical education stand out as not only subjects within the curriculum, but as vibrant methodologies for assessment. These domains allow children to express their understanding and skills in a manner that is natural and joyous. For example, a group of first graders organizing a long jump competition are not merely participating in a physical activity. They are demonstrating their learning and abilities in a concrete, observable form, an assessment that captures the product of their physical and cognitive engagement with the world around them. The narrative of assessment weaves through the educational experience, highlighting that it is not a one-off event but a continuous, culturally responsive dialogue. It acknowledges that a single snapshot in time cannot capture the full spectrum of a child's abilities and potentials. Therefore, multiple assessments over time are essential, painting a fuller picture that also takes into consideration the cultural context of each child's life and learning. Authentic assessments are those that reflect real-world scenarios and are embedded within the natural flow of children's activities. These can take many forms beyond paper and pencil tests, such as role-playing, which serves as a powerful indicator of children's ability to apply their knowledge and skills in practical, meaningful contexts. By blending these elements into the fabric of early childhood education, educators create an environment that is not only conducive to learning, but also deeply respectful of the journey that each child is on. It's an environment where instruction is not just about imparting knowledge, but about understanding and nurturing each child's developmental pathway. This holistic approach ensures that education is a reflective, responsive, and joyful journey for every child, fostering a lifelong love for learning.